Hello children, in today's video we are going to see about the longitude and time, the time zones of the world under the chapter latitudes and longitudes. Let's move into the video. Longitude and time. Before the railways were started, each place had its own time. The length of the shadow cast by an object indicated the time. The shadow was shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. At each place, whenever the sun was directly overhead, it was considered to be noon. This was called the solar time or the local time, and it was defined by the position of the sun. So the solar day was the time it took for the sun to return to the same point in the sky. As the earth rotates, the sun shines directly over each meridian once every day. When the meridian of the Greenwich, that is a 0 degree longitude, has the sun directly overhead, every place along this meridian has noon or midday. As the earth rotates from west to east, yes, from west to east, the places which are east of the Greenwich, that is from the prime meridian east, from the prime meridian west, and the earth rotates from west to east. So what happens? The places which are to the east of the Greenwich are ahead of the Greenwich time, that is plus. It will be in plus, we will add. And those to the west of the prime meridian are behind it. So we will be subtracting it. So thus the sun rises. Suppose Delhi is here and London is here. Just imagine. So the sun rises in Delhi before it does in London. So it is night in London when it is sunrise in Delhi. The worldwide time zones. So in 1878, Sir Sandford Fleming, he developed the system of worldwide time zones that we still use today. He proposed that the world will be divided into 24 time zones, and each zone is separated by 15 degrees of longitude. How is that? He chose this figure because the earth completes a rotation every 24 hours and there are 360 degrees of longitude. Yes, 0 to 179 in east and 0 to 179 degrees in the west, plus 0 degree and the 180 degree. So together it is the 360 degree of longitude. So the earth rotates through 360 degree in 24 hours of a circle. So or it is the 15 degree every hour. We'll see the same thing in detail. The time taken by the earth to rotate once around its own axis is 1 day. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 24 into 60 and we will get 1440 minutes. So one rotation of the earth is equal to 360 degree longitudes. Therefore, the time taken to turn a distance of 1 degree longitude is equal to 1440 divided by 360. That will give you 4 minutes. That is 1 degree longitude will take 4 minutes. Therefore, 15 degree longitude. 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes. That is 1 hour. And thus it is justified. So 15 degree 1 hour. Here also 15 degree longitude 1 hour. We are going to calculate the time of New York and we are going to calculate the time of Tokyo when it is 10 a.m. in Mumbai. So we are going to keep in mind about the characteristics of the meridian and what will happen about the Greenwich time, that is ahead of it, the east longitudes, it will be, the time will be ahead and the time will be behind when of the meridians which is in the west. Okay, keeping all this in mind, we are going to calculate it. Before that, we will check the longitudes of the places. The New York, it is 74 degree west, the longitude, and Mumbai is 73 degree east and Tokyo is 140 degree east. First, we will do the difference in longitude between Mumbai and Tokyo. 140 minus 73 gives you 67 degree. Both the places are in the eastern hemisphere, so we are subtracting the longitude. Now, the difference in time between the two places, that 67 you are going to multiply with 4 minutes and you will get 268 minutes. To convert that into hours, you are going to divide that by 60 and you will get 4 hours 28 minutes. Tokyo, as we saw in that picture, Tokyo is to the east of Mumbai, so the time is ahead. So you're going to add the difference to the time of Mumbai, that is 10 plus 4 hours for 28 minutes. You will get 14 hours 28 minutes. So the time is 2:28 p.m. in Tokyo when it is 10 a.m. in Mumbai. The next one, the difference in longitude between Mumbai and New York. Now keep in mind, the New York lies to the west of the prime meridian and the Mumbai lies to the east of the prime meridian. So you're going to add the longitudes. 73 plus 74, you will get 147 degrees. The difference in time of the two places, you're going to multiply that by 4. You will get 588 minutes, and that to get the hours, you're going to divide that by 60 and you will get 9 hours 48 minutes. So as New York is west of Mumbai, the time will be behind. So the time is, its time is behind. So you're going to subtract the difference. So you're subtracting from the 10 hours, you will get 0 hours 12 minutes. So the time is 12 minutes past midnight in New York when it is 10 a.m. in Mumbai. Yes children, in this video we saw in detail about the time zones of the world, how to calculate it using the longitudes given. You can do the comparisons like this, or else you can directly also you can calculate the time of a place. And you also learnt in detail about the solar time and the solar day in detail. In next video we will see in detail about the standard time and the international dateline. Thank you children.